only need a sip and your liver will be renewed because this plant is curative. The organ that is in charge of the detoxification of our whole organism, as well as the synthesis of protein, is our liver. We must always keep it healthy and functional so that it can preserve our health and prevent hepatic illnesses like, for example, fatty liver. There have been numerous natural remedies present for a very long time, but today we are going to learn to perform a hepatic cleanse using mint, a plant with big properties that will help us improve the functioning of our liver naturally. This remedy will help us detoxify our liver so much that we will be able to improve our health in general. You will need 1 fistful of mint leaves, lemon, orange, water. Check out this highly recommended liver cleanse formula on Amazon. Link in the description box. Preparation. Put 2 liters of water into a pot along with the fistful of mint leaves and leave it to boil for 5 minutes. Then let it rest. Then, extract the orange and lemon juice and put it in a cup along with a spoonful of grated lemon rind. Clean it well first. Sweeten it with 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Finally, strain the mint tea and mix it with the orange and lemon juices that you have already squeezed. Take this every day for 1 week, then make a pause and repeat it whenever you think it's necessary. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.